The moon, it's just gone. Oh my God.
What if
look at the
tonight
sky.
you looked up at the sky and the moon was gone? In its place was Saturn, not the tiny planet we see through telescopes, but a gigantic ringed world hanging above Earth, filling a huge portion of the sky. At first, it would be breathtaking. Millions of people would rush outside to witness the most incredible sight in human history. Saturn's magnificent rings would stretch across the heavens, glowing brighter than anything we've ever seen. But the beauty wouldn't last. Saturn is nearly 95 times more massive than Earth and far larger than the moon. If it suddenly appeared where the moon is today, its powerful gravity would begin affecting our planet almost immediately. The oceans would become unstable. Massive tides would rise along coastlines, threatening cities and entire regions with catastrophic flooding. Earth's crust would also feel the pressure. Increased earthquakes and volcanic activity could shake the planet as Saturn's gravity pulled on the land beneath our feet. The night sky would never be dark again. Saturn would dominate every sunset and sunrise, creating a world unlike anything humanity has ever known. From space, the view would be absolutely stunning. The giant planet and its glowing rings would transform Earth into one of the most spectacular sights in the solar system. But beneath that beauty would be a terrifying reality. Because if Saturn replaced the moon, our world could face chaos on a scale never seen before. And life on Earth might never be the same again. Like and subscribe for more.